ready. Oh, well. Wrong spot.
You went to the wrong spot.
Well, I couldn't see you stood outside, so I went up there. I was like, I'm not here.
I said, we were looking through a window. I said, where's she at?
Hello. The cards have been taken out. I did try and film a lovely back seat, if you could see. But I think I don't know what point the camera fell over. But I don't have time for dinner, so I'm gonna go back have some dinner, and then we'll head off. Hello. My name's Emily, and I'm going to show you how I make the best cup of tea. First off, you need a good mug. This is my perfect size mug. About the size of your head. Always a good start off. Also, it's got to be themed. Themed to the season. Summer mug, Christmas mug. Halloween, October, Halloween mug. Easter? Can we get an Easter mug? Don't think so. But first, we're gonna... Because I'm doing this because the amount of times I film making a cup of tea is ridiculous. Our kettle, here, this kettle here, is never, when I'm at home, it's never cold. This size mug, I'd use 3 sweeteners. Also, 1 tea bag. We are a PG Tips household. Controversial to some, because I know a couple of people work at Yorkshire Gold Best. Not for me. And now, hang on, we're going to boil the kettle. I would obviously be doing this as it's boiling, but you cannot hear me. The kettle is boiled. I'm going to pour the water in. Now what we're going to do is just going to wait a couple of seconds and walk over to the fridge. To get the milk. Now we're a semi-skimmed household. Skimmed is just the only time I use skim milk is in lattes. So I can have a bigger one, and full fat milk is just not for me. So we're going to leave, most important, leave the tea bag in. Add a dash of milk, we don't want it too milky. Keeping the tea bag in, put the milk back. So all this time we are leaving it to stew. Now I'm going to get a teaspoon. Give it a good shake around, and then I'll get your tea bag in it. Oh, that's my belly. And squeeze it out. Couple of stirs. And there, we're done. That looks like a very good colour. That is a proper builder's brew, and that is what we like. So I'm going to go enjoy this. Oh, also put on biscuits. I would normally go for a digestive, but we do not have a digestive in the house. So I'm going to have a Maryland switch. These are very nice. Hello, I know I was meant to go to the garden centre, but by the time I had a cup of tea, it was a bit late because we're going food shopping in like an hour, just over an hour. So by the time I got through, I'd have to come back, because it's not just me going food shopping, it's my dad, so he'd come back to get him for work, and it was just, I was like, nah, I'm not doing it. So I think, well, I tried to watch the Diddy documentary, but the internet kept cutting out, so I was like, oh, can't do that now. So I think I might put some Christmas tunes on and wrap. Oh hello, I don't know why I put that down that way. So, wrap a couple of presents. This is my wrapping paper of choice. Lovely B&M special. The main one I want to wrap today is obviously everybody's, but I know a lot of time to wrap it, although everyone's is quite small. Is my Secret Santa for work, because that has to be in a couple of days, and I'm only in and I'm not in very much, am I? So I'm gonna wrap this one. She won't see this, so it's great to I am able to show everybody what I've got. So, Secret Santa. It was meant to be £10 at work, but I thought, what can you get for £10? One, not much. Ooh. And two, spoiler, I do have my manager, and I was like, I don't want to be cheap. I really got on with my manager. So I thought I'd treat her and go a bit over the budget. It doesn't look, I don't know if you can, I think so. It doesn't look much, but it is, and I've had them before and they were really good. But these Christmas cookies, how cute. This, I find, is a really good gift for anybody. Mum, dad, sister, Secret Santa, nan, boyfriend, girlfriend. They're just they're really good cookies actually. When I had mine, the ones that I had, I got given, and they're like jingle tits, I think. But they were really nice. I would recommend Bakers by Steph, because this is where I've got them. But also Biscuiteers, they do some. They are, why didn't I check Biscuiteers? Oh, I love Biscuiteers as well. I've never had any Biscuiteers. I'd love to have a Biscuiteers biscuit. Ooh. Is there something going on? I live next to an ambulance thing, so we're always here. You know, and he knows. But yeah, let's get packing. done what do you call it, wrapping for now. That's all I can do because my dad's on his way home from work, and then it's time to head out. Hopefully Hannah doesn't come in my room and sneak out. Do I have the door? Let him back. Let's go for a wee. Let's go. Christmas Eve milk. Look at that bank. How cool. Oh, there's only Gryffindor ones. Oh, there's cabins on.